Hello guys, what's up? And today I'll be doing something different. Today I'll be unboxing this AKG Y500 wireless headphone. So I got this for free when I purchased the Samsung phone. I bought it from Argos. So it came in the mail a couple of days ago. So today we'll be unboxing. So pretty straightforward. Let's look at the box on the side. So pretty your standard box. Feels sturdy. So as you can see, there's a Harman branding. So now, without further ado, let's proceed with the unboxing. On the other side. Let's put that to the side, and right off the bat it's like a sleeve, so let's put that to the side, and we are good with this. So there's like a plastic covering over the headphone, so let's just remove the flap right here. Opening this wrapper, and lo and behold, here's our headphone. So quite a pretty unboxing experience. So let's see what's in the rest of the box. So let's remove this bit first. Put that to the side. So along with the box, you have this carrying pouch, and I believe that's it. It's empty. And inside the carrying pouch, you have your standard manual, warranty cards, etc., which no one reads. Let's put it to the side. And what else do we have here? So pretty much that they included this carrying pouch, carrying case, whatever. So you have your standard. You get the charging cable, so it's USB to micro USB, and 3.5 auxiliary mic control. Pretty nice. What else? Really ka dyan. So now let's try to unbox this. So there's like tabs here which you can remove. So I'll be doing a review on this headphones on a different video. So for now, let's just focus on the unboxing. Be careful when opening. Make sure you guys are safe. Okay. So there you have it, guys. One more pala. There you have it. So design wise, it's an over the ear, no, on ear headphone. Feels really comfy. I'm not sure how many millimeters the drivers are. There's like cushioning on the top. Okay, sure. Alright, so there you go. You got your headphone, you got your carrying pouch, you got your cord, and your charging cable, and that's basically it. So hopefully this video will help you with your purchasing decision. So thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.